As we all know, the fear of failure is an overwhelming feeling. But shouldn't the fear of a lifetime of stagnation even be worse? Not fulfilling your dreams in the one life you live? Not taking chances to reach your vision or your goals? We as humans have the ability to become and do anything we want to. That is what separates humans from all other animals on this planet. And as far as we know, we are unique in that way. Our brains have a capacity for growth unlike anything else in the universe. Humans have accomplished thousands, if not millions, of nearly impossible feats since the beginning of time. Even within the last 20 years, we've successfully sent up rockets into the heavens to land rovers on the surface of Mars, not just once, but multiple times. Think about the math involved in that feat. Think about all the things that could go wrong. But even with everything that could possibly go wrong, somebody had the dream and the vision to make it happen. And the creativeness, the dedication, the discipline, the execution, and the hard work that came out of that vision made a feat once only imaginable possible. And not only was it possible, it was successfully accomplished, and now is consistently repeatable. Not only that, we've landed humans on the moon. We've created vehicles that take us from one place to another in a fraction of the time it once took to travel across the surface of the planet. We hold in our hands a device that allows us to talk to people on the other side of the planet as if we're standing right next to them. We've created a worldwide communication platform that can be used to instantly inform us of natural disasters around the globe, which also provides us with a tool to organize and distribute medical assistance and other global response efforts during those times. For the first time in human history, we can respond to these catastrophic events within hours, if not minutes. The human mind has accomplished so many things. We can do anything we dream of. We just have to believe in ourselves and never stop pursuing relevant information and proper applications to achieve our goals. Your heart and your brain must work together to help you achieve your dream. We as humans can choose to change, to move, to adjust, to evolve, and to learn new things. We can grow, and we can modify, and we can improve. Unlike anything else that exists, we have the capacity to improve our world. Nothing else has the ability to improve our world or destroy our world like we can. But it all comes down to a choice and an action, where actions and reactions follow choices. We have a choice to learn new things. Learning new things helps us create new possibilities. It inspires us to be better humans. It inspires us to fulfill our purpose and not just sit idle for years upon years waiting for somebody else to prop us up or to take us to the next level. The long-term success and failures depend on you. The decisions and choices you make today will impact everything about your life in the future. Just as Earl Nightingale said, everyone is self-made, it's just the successful people that admit it. No one cares about your future more than you. No one will help you consistently improve yourself more than you. Yes, we all have somebody that has our back, or know somebody that has invested time or money into us, and that is wonderful. But at some point, those people can no longer be there for us. It is never smart for us to rely on another human to inspire, motivate, or constantly pull us out of the holes we fall into. At some point in life, we just have to take control, whether we have been taught to or not. But recognizing it has to be a short learning curve is essential to getting our life situated and prosperous. Some people just let go of the controls and float away. It's not good to always be the free-floating twig on the shoulders of a mighty river. Most of the time, we should aim to be the jet boat that travels upstream with power and precision. So it's time to change. Be proactive and learn new things. The reason I suggest this is that when you do this, it is similar to the biblical verse, Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened up to you. Keep in mind that it doesn't say, know what you want to find first, and then seek. It says, seek ye first, and then you'll find. If you take the time to learn new things, you will eventually find something that will capture your interest. And then you will come across something else that captures your interest. This will repeat over and over and over until you realize you found things of interest and benefit that you never knew existed. The more you read, watch, or participate in will continually increase these areas in your life. And at some point, you won't even know how you got to where you got to. You will just be there in this new rewarding life, knowing that at one point you made a life-changing decision to never stop seeking. If you never stop seeking, you will never stop finding. Just remember, don't quit when things get hard or when things don't go your way. A great phrase to remember is, I got burned, I learned, and I turned. This will keep you focused on persistent movement, and this won't allow you to think about failure or how bad it got. You just move on to the next great discovery and start again if needed. Always be seeking a new path, and the path will be found. Always create something of value and constantly improve your knowledge and execution skills, and you will eventually reach your dreams, your goals, your visions. Thank you for listening.